How to change Fiverr account phone number. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Fiverr account phone number. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.fiverr.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fiverr. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the top right and further tap on Settings. Now, from the left side toolbar, tap on the Security option and then scroll down and you will see the Phone Verification tab. Tap on the Edit button beside the Phone Verification tab. You will then be asked to answer the security question that you enabled during the phone verification process. So, enter the answer and tap on Continue. You will then be asked to enter your old phone number, so go ahead and enter that and tap on Continue again. You will then be prompted to enter your new phone number. So, go ahead and enter your new phone number and tap on the Verify button. You can choose to verify through SMS or call. You will then receive the verification code in the number you just entered, so go ahead and enter the verification code and tap on the Submit Code button, and with this your phone number on Fiverr will be changed successfully. So, this is how you can change Fiverr account phone number. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.